Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I am going to be reviewing these eyelashes right here. I totally recorded this whole video and it wasn't even recording. I am like so irritated, but now I kind of got an idea of how it works. So today I'm reviewing these Moxielashes, or it's Moxielash, that I received in my Boxy Luxe this month. It retails for $90, okay? And it came with these eyelashes right here. This is the box that it came in. It came with some, what is it? Olive oil and castor oil cotton swabs, which I will not be using on this video because I'm going to wear these as long as I possibly can to kind of see how they wear, but they're just little cotton swabs that have the olive oil and castor oil, so it'll remove the liner really easily. And then it came with a little paper that tells how to use it, and the eyeliner, which came in this little tube. And so all I did was I grabbed this liner, and I do recommend scraping off. Like you can see, it's like super clumpy. It's already drying out. Like it doesn't have much in it, and I've only used a little bit. So what I found is if you scrape it off like so and just get a little bit at the very tip, you just draw a line directly across. I didn't do a wing or anything just because this is like how most people would wear it. But if you do not scrape it off, it was getting into my natural lashes and getting all clumpy, and then I had to use my fingers, which is why they're black, to kind of get the magnetic eyeliner off my lashes. But I do find this is super thick, so you kind of really have to work to get it on your eyes. I have another one, which is why I had a bad impression on magnetic lashes. I had bought them off Amazon for like $32, and they were horrible, but they were like really, really dramatic, like drag queen lashes. And I think that's another reason why I really didn't like them. They were just way too much for me. But these are actually really, really pretty. They're like really voluminous and kind of like full, and they kind of look like mink lashes. So the only thing that I do not like about this set is like when you go like this, as you can see, it's like lifting up. It's not like really staying on the magnetic liner very well. So I don't know, you see, like you barely go like that and they lift off. So I do not know how these would do on like a windy day, or if you took them like to an amusement park or something and you were riding like a roller coaster. I think they would just fly off, personally, because I'm like barely touching them and they are like lifting, if that makes any sense. But they are super, super easy to put on. I'll go ahead and take off this one to kind of show you. So that's how I look without them. And all I did was, like I said, put the liner on, then you look down, and then they stick to your fingers. Now, they pop right on like this. And then I just make sure that the ends are on. They just lift off so easy. And I've put another coat of the magnetic liner, hoping that that would help a little, but it's still lifting. So if you're not like rubbing your eyes and stuff, they should last, and you're not like, you're in a quiet environment that's not like a fan blowing in your face, they should be fine. I will know more wearing them throughout the day, and then I'll give you an update in the next video that I do. But I mean, they're not bad. They're really not bad. They're not as, I don't hate them like I did the other one, but for $90, I would hope that the eyeliner would have like worked a little better, just because they're not sticking as well as I would like, if that makes sense, as you can see. And it kind of, like, I'm really, really picky about my lashes. I like them to be directly on my skin, and they keep lifting. Like, not, like, I like my lashes to be completely at the roots and then, like, attached to my lashes to where you can't tell I'm wearing false lashes. I can't talk for the life of me today. But they're not bad. Like, they're really not. See? That's kind of driving me crazy. They look pretty, like you've seen the before. This is the after. So I wouldn't spend $90 on these. Just throwing that out there. I would never spend $90 on these just because they're not the best. But to wear, because I got in my Boxycharm, I'll totally do that. It was free. So that does not bother me to wear them without spending. Now, if I spent $90 on this and they actually were like this flimsy, I'd be pretty upset. Not gonna lie. But they're not bad for getting for free in my Boxycharm. Not actually free because I did pay for the box, but nothing that I would repurchase by any means, but they're not bad. I mean, you see they look pretty on. Really pretty. I am going to start doing like DIY lash extensions, but the clusters. So I already bought the glue and I bought the lashes. So if you want to see that video of me actually applying them and everything, please comment in the comment section down below. And I'm going to start doing that because I was going to go get eyelash extensions for my birthday because that's what I really wanted. But I was doing research and one of my friends, I asked her what she used and she said she uses Lashify. Well, I started looking for Lashify dupes because it's like $145 for the Lashify, and it's pretty much the same price of getting your lashes professionally done. But so I looked for a more affordable option, and I think for everything it was like under $60 for the applicator, for the lashes, for the glue remover, and it's like because the lashes are kind of sticky, it's something that kind of seals it to where it's not sticky. I probably won't have that in time when I do this video, so I won't be able to do that, but I mean, it dries, so it's not like a must-have, but I can't wait to do that video because I love lashes. So anything that's more permanent and I can wake up with beautiful lashes, I'm all for, so I can't wait to try that out. So like I said, if you want to see that video that's coming up, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. That way you will be notified when I do upload that video. Okay, so I wanted to do a really quick update. I know that I already recorded this video and everything, but as you can see, like I've had it on probably for about 5 or 6 hours, and I had to reapply the eyeliner because I don't know if you can see this right here, but it started like bleeding, like the eyeliner. It is a really hot day today. It's probably like 93 degrees today, but I mean, I don't usually have my eyeliners do that. I am combination. I'm like really oily in my T-zone, as you can see, like right here, I'm a little shiny, but even being oily, I don't usually have this issue with like liners, like, and it's just like coming off. So I had to reapply the liner because my lashes were lifting off, but I don't know. I'm not really liking these, to be honest. Not really liking them. I would not spend $90, just a fair warning. Don't do it. So this is a final update on the lashes that I actually wore yesterday. This is the next day. And they were horrible. Like by the end of the night, like the lashes were just lifting up. The eyeliner was like completely gone. It just melted away. And then it, like the eyeliner that had got on my lashes was super hard to get off, which is why they gave the Q-tips with the olive oil and castor oil was to help get that off. But it was so bad. Like it wouldn't stick to my skin and stay on my skin, but it wouldn't come off my lashes, which was really irritating. But I guess unless you apply it like directly to your lashes and try to glue, like put them on there, which I wouldn't really trust. That's the only thing that I can think of, but I would not waste my $90 on those lashes. To me, just use some glue on. Like today I'm wearing just regular glue on lashes and not having any issues with them. So I do recommend that. Second time I've tried magnetic lashes, I still don't like them. I don't know how anybody has actually got them to work for them, but for me, I will not ever waste my money on magnetic lashes again. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. God bless.